Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing two popular trading platforms, cTrader and cTrader. So let's see which one is better for you. So if we come to cTrader, so it has a simple and intuitive interface, making it easy for beginners to navigate, whereas cTrader offers a more advanced interface with customizable layouts, which is great for experienced traders who need more control. cTrader stands out with its extensive range of trading tools, including advanced charting, algorithm trading, and copy trading features. MatchTrader, on the other hand, is simpler and provides essential tools for trading but lacks some of the advanced features that cTrader offers. Now, both the platforms are known for their reliability and speed, but cTraders is particularly praised for its fast order execution and low latency, making it ideal for high frequency traders. Now, MaxTrader performs well but may not be as fast as in comparison to cTrader. Now, both MatchTrader and cTrader offer mobile and desktop versions, but cTrader's mobile app is more feature-rich, allowing for better trading on the go. MatchTrader app is more basic, but it gets the job done for standard trading activities. MatchTrader is generally more cost effective, making it a good choice for those looking to minimize the cost. cTrader, while potentially more expensive due to its advanced features, offering more value for serious traders who need those extra tools. So you can choose cTraders if you need advanced trading features, fast execution, and highly customizable experience. But if you prefer a simpler, budget-friendly option, MatchTrader is a solid choice. So if you like this video, if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more this type of comparisons. Thank you so much for watching.